Hello, I'm Stuart, delighted to be the founder of Ekco. My wife Helen and I started the business back in 1999 with a simple belief that beautifully made spaces begin with quality and craftsmanship and are built on trust, care and attention to detail. We began with kitchens and bathrooms, but as our clients' homes and ambitions evolved, so did Ekco. Glazing became a natural extension of what we do, allowing us to design and deliver complete living spaces, from kitchens and bathrooms to doors and windows, contemporary glass extensions, all brought together seamlessly from concept to completion. Ekco is, and always has been, a family business. Our daughter Caitlin is part of the design team, and our son Callum plays a key role in shaping the future of the company. Alongside us is an exceptional wider team, including KBSA award-winning designers, people who care deeply about proportion, light, flow, and how space truly feels to live in. We take real pride in our work. Every project is approached with the same care and consideration we would give our own home, because we know these aren't just rooms, these are places where life happens and memories are made. Based in Uphall, just outside Edinburgh, we work closely with trusted builders, architects, and some of the finest suppliers and manufacturers in the industry. Relationships we have built over decades, chosen for quality, reliability, craftsmanship, and no shortcuts. When you choose Ekco, you're choosing more than a supplier. You're choosing a partnership with a team fully invested in your home, your ideas, your project, from the very first conversation to the final, beautifully finished space.